IJELE don mock DOS members wey dey attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say that he's been saying it for very long time in this video. Na person wey dey cry na say make they give am hanky make clean him face. My people, come see wetin dey happen o. They say why Amadi Anakpo IJELE e don come outside come talk many things for this video wey I go play you. They mock the DOS, the IPOB members currently wey dey attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let us watch the video before we come back and continue.
No, they are the ones bringing the fights now themselves. Money where they use their hand chop, and then they use their hand, they bring her out. Now they don't admit, say, they own hand they chop. This, before they were reluctant to mention Nandi's name. Now they have started kicking them under the bus. Now, let me tell you what will start happening. Nnamdi is going to start setting each and every one of them up, one after the other. How these people thought that he will set up the very first DOS and leave them. Go check the statement he made to the DSS the first time he was arrested. He told them that it was the DOS that sent him. And who are the DOS? We are talking about Dr. Clifford Iluanadem. Those are the people he heaped it on. So this time around, all these ones, while he can't heap most of all these things on them because most of the things that he was judged with were things he said with his own mouth. Okay? They are the things he said with his own mouth. So now, no escape from those things. What he will now do is to start setting them up one after the other. As in that Sokoto prison, they frustrate too. They frustrate because he can't be there, especially now when you get phone. Everybody knows that if you are under Nigerian prison system, getting phone is not difficult unless you don't want to. Now he will be there, seeing these people making videos, and many of these things these people are saying he did not authorize it. Being that he did not authorize it and he was in the DSS that time, they weren't listening to him. So now it pains him that the people he brought into his scam are not listening to him, because this is how life works. If you know okay? Are you understanding me now? So all these things now waiting go dey pain now. As in day like this, you go dey frustrate inside there. All the things where you do, all the connections where you make, and the politicians will not wait for you. They will not wait for you. The reason they are even still talking about him is because they've not found a single person that can hold the whole scam together the way he was holding it for them. Are you understanding me now? So that is why, let me block one also. That is why they cannot allow him to just go like that. Nobody else. Okay? Nobody else will do those things. Now, the good day there, he go dey pain am. One, Emmanuel, him brother, no get that level of intelligence to gather all those things. One, you no get the discipline. Okay? He doesn't have the discipline to control it. He doesn't have the charisma. He doesn't have the aura. Look at a man this way when they waka like a canopy, you no stand where. Canopy kukunebu. Now you want call, waiting you want do. He no even fit talk straight. He knows that he can't. He can't compose himself. The only person who can compose himself and speak is who? Kanunta. But Kanunta is not living in Nigeria, one. And You know, say you get where you go dey Europe reach to come dey Nigeria go dey hard you. And e get some kind things where they do on the ground where Kanu no fit do. Okay? So many things where Kanu no fit do. So e dey risky for am. Emmanuel na onye nke ahụ na Okonkoja. Onwe your pastor. Onwe nke ọchị. It's just to be the point man, go there, politician give you 10 naira, come tell them say na 2 naira they give you. They follow you go. They no follow am go. Nobody follow am go. You understand? So now why all of them they do this the way they do, now they shake. Everywhere they shake. And you know say Chinasa Nwuru now, he no get too much base for Nigeria. No, only a few people wey they work with, and all these people wey get camps. Make no mistake about it. Oh, Chinasa no be gentleman. All these camps where they see, Chinasa no many of them wey get them. Now that is where the push me I push you comes into play. How further are they willing to push each other? Because if on a two push Chinasa, oge koto keke, koto kafo, koto kunkwo, go, he go hold everybody. Now, the engine room back home, like I've been telling you people, the only guy man way there amongst all these people na Benjamin Madubugu. If you notice, Benjamin Madubugu has been able to play himself into a place whereby he will be able to stay in Nigeria. I agree to my brother. He will be in Nigeria and is not under the threat of arrest or anything. From that their first arraignment, he has been maintaining his level, maintaining his stance as guy man. You understand? The only problem is that Benjamin is not as widely read or researched as the rest of them. There are so many things like formal ways of doing things which he is. If had Benjamin Madubugu gone to school, or he is like that kind, a bit self-educated, to cover himself very well, he would have been the one leading this thing for a long time. If Benjamin had the level of exposure Chinasa Nwuru has, and his level of intelligence, because when it comes to intelligence, Benjamin Madubugu is naturally intelligent. He knows how to play himself into every single circle he finds himself in. Are you understanding me now? Had he been the one, had Nnamdi Kanu the type of intelligence, streetwise, street wisdom Benjamin Madubugu has, he wouldn't be in this problem he is now. Now, the key man there is Benjamin Madubugu. And so long Benjamin Madubugu has not turned on Nnamdi Kanu, believe me, he is still okay. Nnamdi still has a serious backing. And I believe whatever will be going on, he likely, me, I know they talk with him, I know sure. Or anything I not get any evidence about. But I'm telling you, Benjamin Madubugu, he knows how to play. You will see, you will never see Benjamin coming here to exchange talk with anybody. That does not mean he doesn't know his target. Okay? That does not mean he doesn't know what he's doing. His eyes are always on the ball, but he knows how to operate. Not a madman like Nnamdi Kanu who thinks he's invisible. One thing Benjamin has going for him is that he knows his limit, which Nnamdi Kanu doesn't. Okay? which Nnamdi Kanu does not have. If he did, he will know some troubles he will not enter into. So now they are exposing each other. Oh, you chop money, you not chop. Imagine Nnamdi using his fake account to call a Jofor bleaching cream. Barrister bleaching cream. See, una go later use on a mouth. Tell on herself the truth, what you wanna do for Igbo land. Anybody expecting them to come and expose how they've been buying people, you are wasting your time. But they've already told you. You know, see, in trying to respond to Nnamdi Kanu's threat, they are not, oh, we know you are buying people. Oh, you people are now agreeing that he's buying people. Eh? Somebody said, IJELE, that Benjamin Madibugu is living large in Abuja. I said, I'm telling you, Benjamin is the only guy man amongst those people. He is the only guy man amongst those people. You will not see him exchanging words with anybody. You will not see Benjamin going to insult president, going to insult the governor. That does not mean he is not encouraging the others to do it. No. Because he is a pure operative. I doubt there is any serious camp in Alibo that Benjamin does not know the person controlling it or the people in charge. I seriously doubt. I seriously doubt it. That shows you that natural intelligence, which the Ekperiman Nnamdi Kanu does not have. Which the Ekperiman Nnamdi Kanu does not have. Now, these issues you are seeing brewing in their midst, they are now attacking. Imagine even there's even that. Now they say 100-man committee. 100-man committee to replace the DOS. And they will still use other people to replace this 100-man committee. 2027 election, they come now. Now, dear, they go chop dead rats. Of course, now click by click now. Everybody carry their own. Meanwhile, the boys in the field are now on their own. Ebony people don't gather their own. Waiting be named Jukwes and Sapele. Even to this point, say they don't even separate. No be the other way you can get talk and now say they don't separate. Yeah, but group pushing ambuka. Ndi neje buka moto ndi mmadu. You know, I remember the day while I go that spare parts market in Buka. Remember what I tell them? I said, no be say we no know what they do. We know. We know what they do for this market, but the day we will go get that. It's up to Governor Chukwuma Soludo. Because so many interests in Anambra State don't want this thing to stop. Yes. So many political actors in Anambra State see army barracks on it, see Mbuka, the same local government area, and they can't sanitize that market. They don't know all the people involved. Is that what you're telling me? You don't know the people selling spare parts there? Me, where they here for Abuja, no. But on a way they the same LGA with on a no get military intelligence. DSS no da Anambra State. Police intelligence no day. On a means no all those market leaders, all those markets are under the Anambra State government. And you are telling me you can't fish out these people. Kwe furundi Igbo ba, iyi obujo unu butere na bunu bu ya ga-eri unu. ọmanfụ ọsọsọ ofu mkpụrụ nwa mgbe ihe nọ Nigeria. Sọsọ ofu mkpụrụ nwa m bụ ihe nọ Nigeria, and ọ nọọkwu nso sef. So ọnụ nwa unu ma ndị sọpọtụ ma ndị gbara nkịtị o, ma ndị nọ na-amụ amụ mgbe a na-ekwu ya, ọnụ ha ka ọ ga-ha n'isi. Ụmụ m can decide not to come to this Nigeria one day, they don't care. Ancha jicha passport. Akụnụ na ihe na-ekwu. Ha ncha niile jicha passport obodo a mụrụ ha. So, if you look at it, na agwa gị na ọ maka mmụọ, onwe gị. For yourself. For yourself. People like us, they no born anybody well. You dey hear me? They never born anybody ashawo mama well. No itinye isi eyiye nga egwu. Ifu ka nna agafe egwu ama nkwedi gị ruo nso. So ya na-agwa unu bụ zọba onwe unu. Zọba na onwe unu. As for me, chukwu kofe egbu mmadụ like ị na-ayigodo ara, ị na-aṅụgodo omo, echigodi gị bleach, ị na-aṅụgodo hypo, ị na-esegodi sewage, ifu ma ọgbafuo gị n'anya. Ọfụ unu nwa ka a na-ekwu. Fọ unu nwa, obi zọba onwe ya. A na-ekwu unu gbachicha nkịtị n'ebe unu niile ka ọ dị na. Somebody say they have Shabbat. Which Shabbat? Now the same people. All these their nonsense synagogue where they see, all these places where they do their Shabbat rubbish. From day one, those places have been hideouts for criminals. It's the same people. It's the same people. They just change their names. The same people. Are you hearing me now? Now the same people, nothing like Shabbat. What is mean of Shabbat? Shabbat means Sabbath. Shabbat means Sabbath. Okoko, bingo. Will I still teach you people this one again? Okay, this is the name they've christened it. It is the same Sabbath. That's what it means. Shabbat means Sabbath. It means Saturn. Saturn. In the old ancient world is being represented by a black cube. Okay? That thing you call Star of David is Star of Renfrew. If you go to the North Pole of Saturn, you see it there. All right? Type the planet Saturn. You will see that thing you call Star of David there on its North Pole. You can even watch the live satellite feed right now as I'm speaking to you. Ebe ọbụla eshi wete nonsense ọbụla ewetere abịa n'unu ihe ọbụla gwara unu eburu na-agba. Bunch of illiterates. Illiterates, no, enwe nke na-eme research, nothing. Onweghị ofu mkpụrụ m ihe bụ research. Ihe ọbụla eburu akọrọ abịa. What is meaning of Shabbat? Shabbat is Sabbath, Saturday. It is the same people. Okay? It is the same people. Oh, from there, they are. All of them you see. Every single place, if we had you a temple before they formed this ESN, when they were still BSS, their Biafra Secret Service, Lion Squad and Volunteer. Now that place that they hide their guns since. Go ask, go figure. When they started in Osu, what's the name of this man that was having problem with Matador? Matador nke ebere amụ n'Osu. Matador nke ebere amụ n'Osu. That man name Sabata on this did not start today. They are just trying to rebrand. It's the same people. Nothing like Shabbat. It's the same people. Now, if they are buying the ones they are buying, the living ones, once the other boys, jobless boys in the villages, in the cities, are seeing that these people have money, they will be joining them to make their own money. So they will be changing names. This group will move. Once this group will understand what's going on, you see all those small ones around Butuzo, and that they are like, let them go and dance again now. Ewo, hello, Butuzo and go. Jenu no one egwu again. Go, Jenu ebone se menu again. Go to Ebonese and do your dance again. Now let's see. Motherfuckers. Why didn't you people go back to Osun? Oh, on I've been thinking say they go pull out forces. Yeah. If forever ani nege mecha bro barracks. Una bachapuana half of Ebonese age mecha royal barracks. Half of Ebonese agaruya. Instead, we will leave an inch of our land for you people. We will turn them into military garrisons. Instead, 1 inch aga hap kwadun. Aton no hanchani to military garrison. None of you. Don't worry. There will do negotiation. The only thing you will be negotiating is AA. Kagina gonna negotiate. Missiles. Or you gonna negotiate. Edi lucky. Aburumbo AK. Kagina gonna negotiate. If on a thing say, and some of honor, they prepare for 2027. I say na me and Donna for that election. Na me and Donna. Go tell your politicians, say me. I say na me and Donna for that election. Because we've seen that the only reason you people want this insecurity is to keep maintaining power. We will now use it against Unuge Mecha Yobikoko India. Unuge Mecha. Those political posts will not reach you. You people will never benefit from any election. Those boys will be useless. I gebu. You dey hear me? Go buy everybody. Every criminal that refuses to surrender will be by immediately. More na cut this one, so no cut one. Go cut am. We go buy every single criminal. Monagunu. You people are not aware that these people thought they have caged an Igbo for life. Oh. They believe that they have gotten the final formula to enslave you. Well, some of us already came from descendants of slaves. You are used to slavery. People like us, we have never been used to slavery and we can never. Okay? We can never. So those of us who accept them, it's up to you. But you see those of us, I swear, we would rather turn the entire OKIGWE into military garrison. Instead, Gentle will take it. Imagine in Imo State, Gentle get farm. Do you people remember that rival community in his maternal home, where they invited all the men, buy them, and took their land? It's from that land that they gave Gentle those 50 plots Ikenga talked about. Ikenga did not get that story quite well. It was from that. Now he is breeding hybrid palm trees there, harvesting it. He will kidnap people. They will go there and work in the farm. Some of them, after working in that farm, they will stay by them. And you say you have security in OKIGWE. You say you have vigilante in OKIGWE. The vigilante, there is no difference between vigilante in OKIGWE and Gentles boys. Just like there is no difference between vigilante in Asia and ESN. Asia vigilante will arrest somebody and take them to the ESN camp. Really? Hopefully they've not cooled the operation in Anambra side, though, because me I know say Imo side we've done our own. Oh. If you are dreaming that we will streaming from Osun into Ebonese, you are lying. Oh. We have done our work. If you people are lucky, those people from Lilu, very close to that Mother Valley, if you people are lucky with the right arrangement, maybe we will hold this side while you people push all these people and clear that place. Then start a patrol. If not, that place will remain the way it is. Umuezala will remain the way it is. What's the name of the other community that's very close to that valley? It will remain that way. Okay? All of these things you are seeing happening in that area, if you people don't stand up, you people thought Osu people sat on their hands and change came. It's a lie. Apart from the money, it took series of meetings, and you people need to stand up. You people really need to stand up. All right? Don't let them fool you with all these things they are saying.
My people, now don't hear them as you take talk am. Share this video, drop your own opinion in comment section.